Welcome to JioGenNext Academy's course on cracking 10-minute investor pitch. I am Vikrant Potnis, founder of FundEnable. Over the past 12 years, I have helped startups raise over 75 million in funding. I serve on the seed funding committees of several top incubators across the nation, providing critical insights and support to emerging ventures. I have personally trained over 1,500 founders on capital raising strategies and guided more than 500 angel investors on effective startup investments. As an active angel investor with number of successful exits, I bring a wealth of experience to this course. Having reviewed hundreds of startup pitches, I have distilled my knowledge into a comprehensive program to help you master the art of pitching your startup. Pitch decks are synonymous with fundraising. After securing the sought-after meeting with a prospective investor, your pitch will determine whether you get the next meeting or get shown the door. There is abundant material on pitch decks available on the internet. Templates for almost all types and sectors of businesses are at your disposal. But let me tell you, there is no cookie-cutter approach to creating a pitch deck. Every pitch deck should include elements like the problem, target market, solution, competition, and so on. The trick is to weave these elements into a compelling narrative rather than just a sequence of slides loaded with information. Founders often spend a lot of time creating their pitch decks but neglect the equally important aspect of what they will say during the pitch. This can lead to fumbling and unclear communication, resulting in an ineffective pitch. During a typical 10-minute pitch, there's a lot to cover but very little time. You need to discuss the team, the product, market size, competitive landscape, product positioning, and more, all within 7 to 8 minutes. I have seen pitches for good businesses going wrong due to poor delivery. So how can you nail this? Here is a step-by-step guide to master a 10-minute pitch. I will guide you in leveraging AI tools to streamline and simplify the process of creating your decks. So let's get started. Step 1. Customizing your deck for a 10-minute pitch. Do not include all the slides from your main deck in a 10-minute pitch. The key is to focus on 4 essential points that generates investor interest. Remember, no investor makes a final investment decision based solely on a 10-minute pitch. Instead, these pitches serve to filter out startups and pave the way for deeper discussions in subsequent meetings. In your 10-minute pitch, aim to include the following slides. First, team. Highlight the key members and their relevant experience. Investors invest in people as much as in ideas. So make sure to showcase the expertise and passion of your team. Second, product. Explain what the product is and how it solves a customer pain point. Focus on the unique value proposition and what sets your product apart from competition. Third, progress. Showcase traction and key metrics such as revenue, customer growth, user engagement, and all the notable partnerships and milestones. Concrete data points help build credibility and show that your business is gaining momentum. Fourth, funding requirement. Clearly state how much money you need, where it will be spent, and the milestones you aim to reach with this funding. Be specific about the uses of funds to instill confidence in your financial planning. More detailed slides on competition, unit economics, market sizing, and detailed projections to the appendix section. Pull out these slides when investors ask specific questions. By keeping your main deck concise, you ensure that investors are guided to ask questions about important topics which you can then address by referring to the additional slides. This approach not only keeps your presentation focused, but also shows that you are well prepared to handle detailed inquiries. You can use AI tools such as SlideBeam and Gamma for creating a pitch deck. One more interesting AI tool for preparing infographics is Napkin AI. You can put your information in text format and the tool gives you infographics based on the information which you can use in your pitch decks. Step 2. Creating a script for your pitch. Having a script is crucial for delivering a smooth and effective pitch. Here's an easy way to create one. First, record your pitch. You can record your pitch on Zoom as you would naturally deliver it. This initial recording helps capture your authentic speaking style and key points. Second, convert speech to text. Use a voice to text converter to transcribe your recording into a text file. This step makes it easier to edit and refine your content. Third, refine with AI. Use an AI tool like ChatGPT to enhance your script. Provide the rough script and ask for improvements to make your pitch impactful. Review the improved script and make necessary changes. AI tools can help streamline your message and ensure clarity. Fourth, divide the script. Break down the script slide by slide. This structured approach ensures that each part of your presentation is covered comprehensively and in sync with your visuals. Now you have a detailed slide-by-slide script for your 10-minute pitch. Read it multiple times. For online pitches, you can have a team member present the slides while you keep your camera on and read the script. This will help you deliver a natural and smooth presentation without fumbling. With practice, you will be able to memorize the script and deliver it effectively during in-person pitches as well. Step 3. Preparing for Q&A. A significant part of your pitch is handling the Q&A session effectively. Here's how you can prepare. 1. Anticipate questions and use appendix section. Think about the questions investors are likely to ask and prepare concise, confident answers. Common questions revolve around your business model, market potential, competition, unit economics, and financials. Reflect on the previous pitches and note recurring investor questions. It's beneficial to prepare dedicated slides for these anticipated queries. For instance, if the frequently asked question by investors is around your unit economics, proactively include a slide detailing this aspect in the appendix section. When asked a detailed question, refer to the relevant slides in your appendix. This demonstrates your preparedness and depth of knowledge. This approach ensures you are well prepared to address specific investor interests promptly and comprehensively during your pitch. Second, stay calm and composed. During the Q&A, it's important to stay calm and composed. Take a moment to think before answering and ensure your responses are clear and concise. Third, practice active listening. Listen carefully to the question without interrupting. This helps you understand the query fully before you respond. Fourth, practice, practice, practice. Remember, creating the deck is just one part of the process. Spend adequate time crafting your script and practicing your delivery. A well-prepared script can significantly enhance your pitch. Once your pitch deck and script are ready, all that's left is to practice, practice, and practice. By following these steps, you will be well prepared to deliver a compelling and confident pitch that captures investors' attention. Now that we've built a pitch deck together, I want to warn you about some common pitfalls. First, don't focus solely on the product. Talk about the business. Entrepreneurs often fill their decks with product features, Remember, you are not selling a product to your investor. You are seeking an investment in your business. Second, avoid including detailed financials or valuations in the pitch deck. These are topics for your next meetings with an investor after you've secured their interest. Lastly, don't use the same pitch deck for different investors. It's crucial to study a prospective investor, understand their investment theses, and familiarize yourself with their portfolio companies. For example, if you are meeting with an impact fund, include a slide on how your business is creating measurable social impact. I hope I've simplified the process of pitching for you. Thank you and good luck with your pitch.